Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the electric bathroom scrubber with long handle, a game changer for your cleaning routine. This versatile scrubber comes with a flexible swivel head that adjusts from 90 to 180 degrees, making it a breeze to clean those hard-to-reach areas. Certified with an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's perfect for wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens, and you can even use it underwater without worry. The scrubber is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery, providing up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, and the LCD screen conveniently displays the battery life while charging via Type-C. Its extendable and ergonomic aluminum handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during prolonged use, and with dual-speed settings of 350 RPM for deep cleaning and 280 RPM for lighter tasks, it adapts to all your cleaning needs. The 6-in-1 cleaning brush set includes 6 replaceable brush heads for tackling tiles, grout, sinks, and bathtubs, making it an indispensable tool in your cleaning arsenal. Whether you're looking to make household chores easier for yourself or searching for the perfect gift for loved ones, this electric spin scrubber is designed to enhance convenience and efficiency in everyday cleaning. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.